taste?
Tastes like chocolate.
It tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
Hey YouTube, we back with another video. And today we got the Play-Doh Crystal Crunch. Ooh. So we got the green, I didn't touch you. We got the green foam. And then we got some blue crystals here. Alright, let's go ahead and open it. Okay y'all, we went ahead and opened up the foam.
And we have the
crystal. Well, I don't know what you call these.
glitter.
Glitter?
Yeah. I
So
guess
we're
it's
supposed
good.
Wait, so I guess we're supposed to put the glitter inside the Play-Doh foam. What color is this?
It's green.
Yeah, ooh, look at that. It's so pretty.
Wow.
Imagine how pretty it's gonna
Yeah,
look.
really cool.
Alright, let's open this up too. Let's show off our crystals. Well, our glitter, I don't know. Whatever you want. Confetti.
It's glitter.
It says crystals in the box.
Crystal, blue crystals, pretty. Alright, go ahead, take your foam out first. And then you gotta put your crystals inside the foam. You get it?
I just get it.
Pull it out. Ooh. Show them when you pull it out. Let me see. There you go. Whoa! You almost fell trying to pull that out. Look, it's already crystals inside of it, y'all.
Give me it.
Ew.
That's my
This feels like slime. This don't feel like fun to me. Okay, wait, let's add the crystals into it.
Okay, now crystals. Is we have to grab it or something?
Grab it and put it in there.
Thank you.
Sprinkle it all around. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's
Wait, let
shining.
me sprinkle
Look at
it
it
again.
sparkling. Ooh.
Have to sprinkle one more time.
Oh. Let's see if we can make it blue. We can change the green to blue. Let's put a lot on there.
That's not just
Let's turn it blue. Whoa. Look, it's changing colors. It's turning blue. Wow. Let's put some more.
Let them squeeze it so it can hear a crunch.
Alright, squeeze it, Jimmy. Squeeze it in the camera. So you hear it. Ooh, satisfying.
Get closer.
Spread it apart. Alright, let's see if we can make something out of it. What can you make? Alright, let's see what we can make.
you guys. What are you gonna make?
I don't know. What do you want to make?
Maybe you can make a dinosaur.
Girl, you can't make no dinosaur.
Yeah, you
person?
can. Nope, not making person. I'm not making. I'm not making.
Alright, let's see if we can make a pizza. Here, we got the dough.
I thought you started off with a circle. Or you making that?
I'll make a pizza slice. Look, Jimmy, I made a pizza slice. Here, put the toppings on top.
pepperoni.
This doesn't really look like a pizza to me.
Pizza? The pizza is look like that.
Pizza slice.
Pizza slice is look
Alright,
like
here we
that.
made a slice of pizza.
Yeah. Let me eat it. I just cut some.
What did it taste like?
Strawberry.
Huh?
Strawberry.
Seriously.
Strawberry pizza?
Yeah.
It's blue and green. And it tastes like pickles? Or does this look like a pickle?
Yeah.
Y'all comment below what y'all think this look like.
This one looks like a pickle.
A pickle?
Yes. Or it looks like a pizza.
Oh man.
Or it's going to be a
Let's see,
person
okay.
now.
Alright, let's
Maybe you have to make a person. What are you doing?
make a patty.
Krabby Patty, you mean?
Yeah, I'll make a Krabby Patty.
We need to make cheese.
Alright, we made a patty. That looks good. Here, Jermaine. Here's your patty.
Thanks.
Tell me how it tastes.
Tastes like chocolate.
It tastes like chocolate.
Yeah. Chocolate
Taste buds
patties.
messed up. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you what we need to tell them. Make sure you guys
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.